So it's September 20th, 2008. We're at the Pine Knob Carriage House off I-75 and Sashabaw Road. And let me give you a view of the front of it, as if you were driving right up by it. Beautiful surrounding. It's surrounded by a golf course, so it's kind of hard to beat. There's a fountain over there. And just doing a pan. You come up in this roadway, so cars are approaching from this way, and then this is over on the left, the carriage house. I'm gonna cut just for a second. So a view like from across the little road here, carriage house. Golf cart traffic. Parking lot, and then the main entrance right here. Hey, Dan Nichols, Michigan wedding DJ. We're out at Pine Knob Carriage House out in off I-75 in Clarkston, Michigan. And this is the view from my DJ table. So, like, here's my gear. Now we're looking out to the left. It's kind of weird. I'm actually set up in like a little sunroom kind of thing. So I'm stepping out now onto the dance floor. Looking to my left. Now you'll notice here's the dance floor. Cake up here. Cool looking cake. A little more detail here. Pretty though. Everything has kind of got a pink hue. Excuse my eyes if I'm a little off on my color. It might not be quite pink, but so it's a big glass area where they have the dance floor. I'm just doing a 360 here. There's the little room I'm set up, and you see the curtains there. They got black and white chair covers. And then this walks out to the covered pavilion area where they're actually going to be getting married today. I'll go out there in just a minute. Here we are. More dining area, big fireplace. This is where the head table's usually set up. And I'll give you a view from the bride and groom seat. Black and white and fuchsia, chartreuse. Okay, so here's a view from the bride and groom's seat. And then that's the dance floor and the cake and where I was set up. So it's kind of like set up like a triangle, the room almost. Bride and groom behind them, what they would look out at, doing a 360 here. A lot of glass, tons of glass in here. Big parking lot, nice landscape, beautiful landscape. Surrounded by a golf course. Again, so there's a 360 from the bride's table. Now walking into the main doors, got leaded glass here. I'm going up some steps, and they do have a way in for people that can't do this. They have a bar. A lot of people go down there. Down in this little room. Ladies, you keeping busy?
Yeah.
All right, good. All right, now into the main room, which is where I was before. See my DJ gear over there. The little pan as if you were walking into the room. Now going down and out. I'm actually set up here with just a couple speakers, helping to do some sound reinforcement. So we got a violinist playing the music though, but I've got audio set up with a couple of microphones for the bride and groom. So this is like the backdrop to the area where they're getting married, which is right there. Again, a golf course, just a beautiful, beautiful view. It's a beautiful day though, it's unbelievable. All right, this is Dan Nichols, Michigan Wedding DJ. It's the end of that virtual tour. I hope you enjoyed it, and come on back if you're checking out any other facilities here in Southeast Michigan.